All right, so update. Um, Car is prepped, ready for paint. I got the whole garage prepped as well, ready for paint. And now I am gonna start to fucking paint. So let's get this shit. And remember, if you're a dumbass like me and don't know what you're doing, but you want to paint your car and do dumb shit like me, follow your boy.
Moving too fast.
It's better when it's up close, huh?
No.
No?
Fuck no.
Like, you know
The zoom. Okay, the zoom in. I would have to be I have to walk back. You're still not in frame. You're barely in frame right here.
Because I'm big, nigga.
You're not that big. Relax, dude. Ooh, that forearm though, crazy.
I fucking cleaned it, so. Hold that real quick. Yeah, just go that way. What size do you think that shit is?
What, this?
This part right here.
Fuck, I have no idea. I'm not good at metrics.
What part?
That part. Oh, am I in your way?
Dumbass.
What? Hey, you gotta say something. I'm just here, like a tripod. They say Little Yachty's in the restaurant right now?
Yeah. Nigga, they had Ice Show Speedy yesterday?
Yeah.
And motherfucker Fox splashed from the turnbuckle?
Yeah.
To the announcer's table?
Yeah.
That show's hard, nigga.
I don't know if you're supposed to be like mixing that fucking softly.
Yeah, because then.
Bitch, I don't know.
I don't fucking know. This is what the YouTube people were doing. And they were doing it for a while, too.
How do you know when it's done? It was like thick and shit or what?
I don't fucking know, dude. I'm just here. You feel me?
Nope.
Neither. But it has that shit, the reducer, it thins it out.
How do you know what thins it out, bitch? You're looking at straight black.
Reducer.
Okay.
Thins it out, bitch, not lines the color, you fucking idiot.
Yeah, but how are you gonna tell the difference on if it's lighter or not?
Thinner, not lighter.
That's what I'm saying though. How are you gonna tell that it's lighter?
Don't talk to me, I'm professional.
What?
This is gonna be the hard part.
What?
Because I have to put it in here, or you have to stop recording. Help me out.
I'll help you out both. Oh shit.
Oh, you can
What, motherfucker? Don't touch me. Get off me. I hit the stop record button.
You can put it down.
You know what I'm gonna do? Hold up.
It's because you don't have to hold it.
I'm holding it, bitch.
No. This is not the part that I need help.
Shit.
It's the when I put the lid on it.
Oh.
Because you see how fucking thin it is?
No. You look focused as a motherfucker.
What did the rock say? Focus. Oh, that's good right there, baby. That shit blacker than my butthole.
This shit look just the same color as you. Can't even find where your hand is.
Relax.
I'm just saying.
Alright, what the fuck I leave that?
What?
Right
The
here.
capture there?
Yeah, I need both hands.
Shut up, bitch.
I think I'm high. Oh.
Alright, now you gotta fucking put it on there.
Yeah, that's easy. It's easy part. Oh, okay, maybe not the easy part.
You said it was easy. Now rotate it.
No. That's what I'm doing.
You sure about that?
No, but we're gonna find out.
Stain his ass. that you're down here, dude, you want to explain how this happened?
See, what had happened was I'm a fucking dumbass.
Mm-hmm.
Like I've been telling y'all.
Mm-hmm.
And I went to the store and I got these cups thinking, yeah, I'm fine.
Mm-hmm.
Guess what?
What?
I'm not fine because these are disposables.
Okay. And so what did we learn?
Don't be a dumbass.
Gotcha.
Word of the day. Dumbass.